Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the PARGAGAM Starlink Mini Car Suction Cup Mount. A versatile accessory designed to keep your Starlink Mini securely mounted on vehicles like cars, RVs, trucks, and even boats. If you rely on Starlink for connectivity during road trips or off-grid adventures, this mount promises a stable and reliable setup. The PARGAGAM mount is built with industrial-grade vacuum suction cups made from premium ABS plastic and durable rubber. These suction cups provide a strong and secure grip on a variety of surfaces including car windows, sunroofs, RVs, and boat decks. The design ensures that your Starlink Mini remains firmly in place even when you're driving at high speeds or navigating rough terrain. The mount's stability means your satellite signal stays strong, no matter the journey. Weather resistance is a standout feature of this mount. Engineered to handle both heat and cold, the suction cups maintain their grip in a wide range of conditions. The mount also features a non-slip design that minimizes movement and keeps the Starlink Mini stable, which is crucial for uninterrupted connectivity. Whether you're facing strong winds, rain, or temperature fluctuations, this mount is built to hold fast. Durability and protection are key elements in its design. The carbon steel bracket is corrosion-resistant, ensuring long-term outdoor use, while a soft inner gasket protects your Starlink Mini from scratches. This gasket also absorbs vibrations and reduces noise during travel, so you get both protection and a quieter experience. The mount's sturdy construction makes it suitable for frequent use on long road trips or marine adventures. Installation is straightforward and tool-free. The mounting kit allows you to quickly attach the suction cups and secure the Starlink Mini without any extra tools. The mount includes adjustable height options, so you can optimize signal reception depending on your setup, whether it's on a sunroof, window, or roof rack. The kit even comes with 2 extra replaceable suction cups, extending the service life of the mount and giving you peace of mind on every trip. In terms of size and materials, the PARGAGAM Starlink Mini mount weighs just over 14 ounces and measures 4.17 by 2.87 by 10.94 inches. The combination of ABS plastic and carbon steel provides a balance of lightness and strength, ensuring the mount is durable but easy to handle. It's designed for surface mounting and works with all Starlink Mini units, making it a versatile addition to your setup. To summarize, the PARGAGAM Starlink Mini Car Suction Cup Mount offers a reliable, durable, and weather-resistant solution for keeping your Starlink Mini in place during travel. With a strong grip, anti-vibration protection, and flexible installation options, it's designed for anyone who needs consistent connectivity on the road, in an RV, or out at sea. If you're looking for a dependable way to keep your Starlink Mini stable and protected, this mount is worth considering. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech accessories.